for use on the layout. The first picture shows the actual milk dock, the Main Street Bridge, and Union Station in the background. The next one shows the design of the wide section roof supports along with some of the dimensional data. The next one shows put together, and then the next picture shows the actual milk dock on the wide end. Finally, here is all the milk dock parts assembled but unpainted with some dimensional information. The base of the dock is foam board, but everything else is 3D printed. The real Union Station has a lot of retaining walls as well as roadways leading down to track level. This is a picture of the one that is near the Grand Avenue Bridge that was used as a guide for the design of all my retaining walls. Once the design was set as shown here, all that needed to be done was to just 3D print multiple copies and glue them onto a foam board as a backing as shown. The next picture shows how the bridge abutments were sized height-wise. The design that was used the design tool that was used allows you to model several pieces together to ensure proper fit as well as checking dimensions. This is the first look at the retaining wall and the ramp coming down from the bridges, and you can see the bridge abutment there just to the left of where the ramp is, and this is the retaining wall that's adjacent to the main station, using Kansas City Union Station as a model. And then this bridge abutment here that's just on the other side of the milk cars would be Main Street, and it has some different towers on it. So but anyway, that's what I was kind of trying to model. It's the first quick look at it, and I got some more work to do on it. What might be noted is, if I can stop shaking, the railings are modeled from the top molding up here on the main building. They were just made smaller to about the approximate height of 3 feet from what I could find on the web for research, and put holes in them so that we created the bridge railing. So anyway, that's the Main Street bridge. It'll be coming across generally in this area through here, and should end up somewhere around in here. And the other bridge, which if I remember right is Grand Avenue, I think. That bridge down there will come over to the buildings that I end up putting in this hole, which is my pop-up, so I can work on the layout. And so there'll be a bridge that goes into there, and they'll put some of the buildings that you probably see against the back wall in there, along with some other ones. But anyway, that's kind of what I've been working on. That building there underneath the bridge, and you can see the little office down under there. That is the milk dock for Union Station, and it has at least 2 sidings, one of which is adjacent to it, and the other one is for putting the empty cars. I haven't really worked it back there. That's one of the long-term items to be done. And while we're here in the back, you can also see a good view of the retaining wall that's along the back wall. And it made up of quite a few pieces. So, and I do have more of the retaining wall that goes all the way over to the corner. And I'll walk over here real quick. And here's another example of the retaining wall
that's around the track as it comes out of the helix. This is the eastern helix. But since I hurt my back and shoulder, I have not been able to finish it on the inside. Someday I will be able to get back there and finish working on that. But I do, you have to make special short ones as it goes up along the track on the against the wall. But anyway, that's the retaining walls. That's all 3D printed, and you can see the top. But anyway, thanks for watching all the videos. Appreciate it. Bye.